Just how extreme is this flagship camera phone? Well, extreme enough to pack in a huge range of lenses and an impressive set of camera features. In this video, we're diving into Vivo's top camera phone of the year, the X300 Ultra. The Vivo X300 Ultra comes with a clean, seamless color block design that feels balanced and instantly recognizable. The camera module carries forward the classic pancake-style lens design, simple, flat, and minimal. But from another angle, that large camera bump is impossible to miss, clearly hinting at the serious imaging power packed inside. So what exactly makes the X300 Ultra's camera so strong? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the lens setup. It offers native focal lengths of 14mm, 35mm, and 85mm. The ultra-wide and telephoto cameras remain similar to the previous generation. The ultra-wide uses the Sony Lydia 818 sensor measuring 1.28 inches, currently the largest in its category. The telephoto camera features a Samsung HP0 200 megapixel sensor with a 1.4-inch size and now includes 3-degree OIS stabilization, which further improves stability when shooting at long distances. The biggest upgrade comes with the 35mm main camera. It's the first in the world to use the Sony Lydia 901 sensor, offering a massive 200 megapixel resolution and a larger 1.12-inch sensor size. Previously, many people wondered whether Vivo's focus on a 35mm large sensor main camera was just an experiment or a deeper commitment to imaging philosophy. Now it's clear, if you love shooting at 35mm or 50mm, Vivo is leading the way. Thanks to the larger sensor, image quality is outstanding. Even in low light or night scenes, photos come out clean with excellent detail. The dual 200 megapixel setup also gives flexibility for editing. For example, two photos taken at 35mm might look similar at first, but once you zoom in, the difference in sharpness becomes obvious. That extra resolution allows you to reframe shots without losing detail. What's even better is that shooting in 200 megapixels doesn't slow you down. You press the shutter once and the photo is captured instantly. The only real concern is how much storage space you'll need. This generation also introduces something exciting in terms of zoom, 2 teleconverters. The G2 lens offers a 200mm equivalent focal length and is more compact than before. Then there's the G2 Ultra lens, which pushes things all the way to 400mm. To put that into perspective, a 35mm shot looks close to what your eyes naturally see, while a 400mm shot zooms deep into a specific area. It's incredibly powerful. Imagine using this at a concert or a sports event. Even from far away, you can capture sharp, detailed images. It also performs beautifully for wildlife photography, delivering natural-looking background blur and excellent close-up results. The camera interface even includes quick access buttons for 800mm, 1600mm, and 3200mm zoom levels, with a maximum zoom reaching up to 8100mm. In real-world use, though, it's best to use a tripod for such extreme zoom levels. At those ranges, you may also notice heavy sharpening or AI enhancements. Realistically, 400mm and 800mm are the most usable options. A good tip is to shoot at 400mm with 200 megapixel enabled. This allows you to zoom further while keeping the image more natural and less overprocessed. Beyond the lenses, the X300 Ultra introduces a new Blueprint original color lens. This is a multi-spectral system with 12 channels and a 5-megapixel sensor designed to improve color accuracy. When photographing flowers, for example, the telephoto macro mode produces images with natural background blur and very true-to-life colors. For portraits, the built-in portrait mode delivers soft lighting, realistic skin tones, and a very natural overall look. And that's not just about hardware. The experience goes even further beyond that. On the software side, the Vivo X300 Ultra is just as impressive. The moment you open the camera app, you're greeted with a packed interface full of options, and once you start tapping around, even more settings appear. This really shows Vivo's approach to photography. They want users to have full control over how they shoot. You can customize many of these toggles to match your style. If you prefer something simple, you can streamline everything into an easy one-tap setup, so you can just pick up the phone and start shooting instantly. Of course, going this route might take away some of the fun of exploring all the deeper features. Switching between modes is also very smooth. For example, street photography and landscape modes can jump into Pro mode with a single tap. From there, you can manually adjust key settings like shutter speed, ISO, and white balance however you like. When it comes to colors, there's a wide range of built-in filters, and each one can be fine-tuned further using the Blueprint palette, making the whole experience very intuitive. For advanced users, there are even more detailed controls available, giving you a high level of customization. This flexibility carries over to video recording as well. The Vivo X300 Ultra delivers seriously powerful video capabilities. It supports 4K 120fps 10-bit log recording across all focal lengths, along with 4K 120fps Dolby Vision and 4K 120fps slow motion, also available across all lenses. On top of that, you get 4K 60fps cinematic portrait video and 4K time-lapse, again usable with every focal length. Switching into professional video mode is quick and easy, and the interface is designed to feel like a dedicated camera with a full set of controls. When shooting in log, you can even import custom external 3D LUTs, and what you see on screen during recording closely matches the final result. One thing to keep in mind is that when you're recording continuously at very high settings, lens switching may be limited. Still, this doesn't take away from the overall experience. It's already one of the best video systems you can get on a smartphone. If dealing with log footage and post-editing feels like too much work, there's also a cinematic mode that gives you great results straight out of the camera. In the default mode, you get a clean, natural look. Switch on modern cinema and you'll see a more stylized effect. The classic cinema mode takes it further, adding a widescreen format, fixed 4K 24 FPS, and a vintage vibe with elements like subtle camera movement, grain, and vignetting. One small tip: classic cinema works best with steady shots or slow movements, as fast motion can make the footage feel a bit choppy. Used correctly though, it delivers a very rich film-like texture. We even captured some vintage-style clips to show how it looks in action. To support all of this imaging power, the performance has to keep up, and it does. The Vivo X300 Ultra is powered by a 5th-generation compatible 8 Ultra chip and features a large ice pulse fluid VC cooling system, helping it stay stable during long shooting sessions. It packs a 6,600 mAh battery with 100-watt wired charging and 40 watts wireless fast charging, so you won't be worrying about running out of power anytime soon. On the front, there's a stunning 2K Q10 Plus 2.5D flat display made with BOE technology, offering a dynamic 1 to 144 Hz refresh rate. It can go as low as 1 nit for comfortable viewing in the dark and supports 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, along with full brightness DC dimming. So to wrap it all up, the Vivo X300 Ultra is a highly personalized imaging flagship. It combines a versatile lens system, powerful features, and deep customization options. Whether you want a simple point-and-shoot experience, a street photography companion, or something closer to a professional video camera, this phone can adapt to you over time. Vivo has paired cutting-edge hardware with incredible flexibility, giving users the freedom to create however they want. Exploring its features is fun on its own, but using it to explore photography is on another level. If you're passionate about capturing moments, the Vivo X300 Ultra is going to be a joy to use. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.